For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a web hosting business is a powerful way to tap into the digital economy. As more individuals and businesses need websites, the demand for hosting services continues to grow. Fortunately, with the rise of free AI tools, launching a hosting company is more accessible than ever. This step-by-step guide will show you how to start your own web hosting business using free AI, from planning and branding to customer support and marketing. Step 1. Research and define your niche. Before jumping into the technical side, use free AI tools to understand the market. ChatGPT can help you identify untapped niches and define your unique value proposition. You can offer shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, or niche-specific hosting, e.g., for bloggers or small businesses. Prompt to use. Act as a startup consultant. What are profitable web hosting niches for a new hosting business in 2025? Also, you can use tools like Perplexity.ai or Google Bard to research competitors and trends in the web hosting industry. These tools summarize articles and generate comparisons. Step 2. Create a business plan with ChatGPT. A well-structured business plan helps you define your strategy and forecast your operations. ChatGPT can help you draft a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, pricing, services, and financial estimates. Prompt to use. Create a business plan for a startup web hosting company targeting small e-commerce businesses. Include mission statement, target market, startup costs, revenue streams, and marketing plan. The business plan should include information on customer acquisition strategies, pricing models, monthly, yearly, etc., expected server costs, customer support systems, and projected revenue. Step 3. Build your brand using AI design tools. Creating a strong brand is essential for standing out. Use free AI logo generators like Loka, Freemium, Namecheap Logo Maker, or Canva's AI-based logo creator to design your visual identity. For brand names and slogans, ChatGPT is useful as a brainstorming partner. Prompt to use. Suggest 10 brand names and taglines for a modern web hosting company focused on speed and reliability. Once you choose a name, check domain availability using tools like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then secure your domain and social media handles. Step 4. Set up the web hosting infrastructure. You have two options: become a reseller or set up your own server environment. If you choose the reseller path, platforms like HostGator, 2Hosting, or Green Geeks offer white label reseller accounts. This allows you to rebrand the hosting platform as your own. Use ChatGPT to guide you through technical configurations. Prompt to use. Explain how to configure WHM and cPanel for a new web hosting reseller account for multiple clients. For a custom solution, you'll need cloud hosting providers like Oracle Cloud, free tier, AWS free tier, or Google Cloud's free program to install and manage your own hosting stack. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to walk you through setup using open-source platforms such as CyberPanel or VirtualMint. Step 5. Design a website with free AI tools. A professional website is essential. You can use platforms like Doric, Framer AI, or Durable.co, AI website builders with free plans, to generate a homepage, pricing page, and support page automatically using AI. You can also use ChatGPT to write your website content. Prompt to use. Write homepage content for a web hosting service that emphasizes fast speeds, 24/7 support, and affordable plans. If you prefer to design your site manually, use free builders like WordPress with Astra or Neve themes and integrate content generated by AI. Step 6. Automate customer support with free AI. Use free versions of AI tools like Tidio or HubSpot Chatbot to create automated chat assistants. These bots can answer frequently asked questions and route support tickets to your email or help desk. ChatGPT can help you write responses and scripts for your chatbot. Prompt to use. Write an AI chatbot script for a web hosting company. Include greetings, support ticket creation, plan recommendations, and FAQs. You can also train the bot using your knowledge base and FAQs, which you can draft using AI as well. Step 7. Set up billing and customer management. Billing automation is crucial. If you're using WHMCS, popular for resellers, use its free trial to test the system. Integrate it with your hosting packages and payment gateway, like PayPal or Stripe. ChatGPT can assist in customizing your welcome emails and invoice messages. Prompt to use. Create a professional welcome email for a new web hosting customer that includes login info, support link, and onboarding tips. For free alternatives to WHMCS, consider Box Billing or Blesta's free license, limited features. Step 8. Launch a marketing strategy with AI assistance. Use AI to generate a full marketing plan and daily social media content. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva's AI-powered content generator, and Copy.ai freemium help create blog posts, email campaigns, and social content. Prompt to use. Create a 30-day marketing strategy for a web hosting business using SEO, blogging, email, and Instagram. Then ask, write 5 SEO blog topics for a new hosting company targeting small business owners. Leverage tools like Google Trends and Keyword Surfer, Chrome extension, to guide your keyword strategy. Step 9. Grow your business using AI-powered analytics. Use Google Analytics and Search Console to track traffic. For analyzing customer behavior, integrate Microsoft Clarity free heat map tool. AI tools like ChatGPT can help interpret your analytics and suggest actions. Prompt to use. My web hosting site gets traffic but low signups. What changes should I make based on these Google Analytics metrics? Use the insights to refine your copy, page layout, or pricing strategies. Step 10. Offer scalable support and upsells. As you grow, use ChatGPT to write email sequences for upsells like domain name registration, VPS upgrades, or site management services. Free CRM tools like HubSpot, free tier, help track customer interactions and trigger follow-ups. Prompt to use. Write a follow-up email to a customer after 30 days of hosting, offering a discount on a plan upgrade. Also, use ChatGPT to simulate customer service scenarios and train new staff or virtual assistants on how to handle support issues. Conclusion. Starting a web hosting business is a smart and scalable digital venture. By using free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Tidio, and website builders, you can reduce startup costs while maintaining professionalism and automation. From planning and branding to support and analytics, AI enables even solo founders to compete with larger players in the hosting industry. With the right strategy and use of AI, you can build a sustainable hosting business that grows with the needs of your customers. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.